guys, have you ever wondered what to do with your Thanksgiving leftovers? Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious leftovers Thanksgiving sandwich with a side of cranberry mayo. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. For this recipe, we'll be using 2 slices of white bread. I coated one side of the bread with butter and then placed it on a hot griddle on medium heat. Then I added a few slices of turkey breast topped with some stuffing and also cranberry mayo, which is basically 2 tablespoons of cranberry sauce and 2 tablespoons of mayo mixed together. The link for my cranberry sauce will be in the description box. Add your second slice of bread with butter coated on the outside. After about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown, flip and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Up next, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious, juicy, oven roasted turkey recipe.